The travel season has officially begun. From June to August, the U.S. will encounter a flood in explorers for the late spring season. People's desire to travel and enjoy vacations has increased as the COVID-19 pandemic and its restrictions have already helped the global economy recover. This presents airlines with an opportunity to see a significant rise in bookings and revenue. This increase in demand presents investors with an opportunity to trade the seasonal trend. When is the best time to travel? The level of the movement season happens throughout the late spring months. Thus, there's a significant ascent in both homegrown and worldwide, meaning an expanded interest for air travel and thusly, higher benefits. Travel after the pandemic. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic's temporary travel restrictions, airline revenues and share prices suffered greatly. Nonetheless, as immunizations was embraced, explorers began to make use and make travel arrangements. In spite of the choppy recovery caused by new variants disrupting normal travel patterns, demand was strong in 2022 due to a summer of overcrowding at airports and lost baggage for global travelers. Additionally, the shift toward work from anywhere or work from home by employers contributed to the formation of a new pattern in this cyclical industry and created year-round demand for leisure travel. Opportunities for investment in the airline industry. When it comes to sector themes, investors should always be aware of the drivers of individual opportunities. Investors can examine a variety of factors that could propel the sector even higher during this travel season. Aircraft stocks. Financial backers can see aircraft stocks that are exceptionally unmistakable in their space of activities and those with solid market positions, effective tasks, and strong financials. These variables can assist with yielding good returns in the cycle. In any event, financial backers ought to constantly consider income development, load factors, cost administration, and armada modernization while seeing carrier stocks. Auxiliary income streams. Aircrafts create income from ticket deals as well as from auxiliary administrations. These chauffeurs charge extra for extra legroom, priority boarding, seat selection, in-flight entertainment, and baggage handling. In order to determine which airlines have innovative and successful ancillary offerings, due diligence can assess airlines' strategies for maximizing ancillary revenues. Regional airlines. Despite the lucrative nature of airline travel, international flights are most likely to be taken during travel season. All things considered, local carriers can likewise introduce incredible venture open doors. When it comes to bringing passengers to major airline hubs, airlines that operate domestic routes and connect smaller cities are critical. Effectively pinpointing territorial aircrafts with solid organizations, dependable activities, and development potential can introduce a chance for extraordinary returns. Let's now take a look at some stocks with a buy rating that offer opportunities in this rotating theme. Alaska Air Group, ALC. Alaska Air Group Incorporated operates Alaska, Horizon, and Alaska Airlines. Through McGee Air Services, the company also provides aviation services. The business is organized into 3 divisions. Mainline includes regular flights using Boeing and Airbus jets from Alaska. This takes special care of travelers and freight all through the U.S. and in pieces of Mexico, Belize, and Costa Rica. The term regional refers to the scheduled air transportation provided by Horizon and other third-party carriers. This takes special care of their travelers across a more limited distance network inside Canada and the U.S. under limit buy arrangements, CPA. Horizon. This segment includes the capacity that was sold to Alaska as part of a CPA agreement as well as mainline operations, which include Alaska's jet service using the Boeing 737, B737, and Airbus A320 family, A320 and A321neo. Its regional operations also include flights with SkyWest and Horizon. 12 analysts have given ALC the strong buy rating, with a mean target price of $64.71 and a high price of $75, representing an upside of 66.3%. Copa Property SA, CPA. Copa Property, SA is an aircraft traveler and freight specialist organization that has had activities through its auxiliaries. From its Panama City hub in the Republic of Panama, Compañía Panameña de Aviación, S.A., Copa Airlines, offers international air transportation for passengers, cargo, and mail. It operates from the Republic of Panama. Aerorepublica, S.A., Copa Colombia, offers domestic and international flights to Venezuela, Panama, Ecuador, Cuba, Mexico, Guatemala, and Costa Rica from a number of Colombian cities. A point-to-point route network for passengers, cargo, and mail is also provided by the subsidiary for domestic and international air travel. Expert rating. 9 experts have given Copa Possessions SA a solid purchase suggestion. The mean objective cost for CPA is $135.70, and a high objective of $152 addresses a possible potential gain of 40.75%. Delta Aircrafts Incorporated, DAL. Delta Aircrafts Incorporated works worldwide as a planned air transportation supplier for travelers and freight. The organization's fragments. Carrier, oversaw as a solitary specialty unit that gives air transportation to travelers and freight around the world. A loyalty program and other supplementary airline services are also part of this. The refinery supplies the airline industry with jet fuel from its production as well as from jet fuel obtained through various agreements and third parties. Products other than jet fuel are produced by the refinery as well. Additionally, this division provides engineering and maintenance assistance for its approximately 1,250 mainline and regional aircraft fleet. The organization has a market presence and centers in Amsterdam, London Heathrow, Paris Charles de Gaulle, Mexico City, and Solinchen. DAL is rated as a strong buy by analysts based on 14 strongholds and 1 hold. With a high target of $70 and a mean target of $49.62, DAL has a potential upside of 95.04%. Final thoughts. The travel season is one of the most prevalent market themes because it offers investors a lucrative opportunity to profit from the cycle. With the market's attention on the business, dissecting market patterns and understanding buyer conduct can assist with recognizing potential venture valuable open doors from the flooding interest for air travel. However, it is still essential to manage risks by being well versed in market news that may have an impact on the industry as a whole and the financial health of the companies.